My name's Daniel Renz. I was born and raised in central New Jersey. I moved to Maryland to attend undergraduate college. I started working in Maryland after I graduated from college. Met my wife in Maryland, and my wife and I now reside in North Carolina. I was conducting work as a federal employee in the Baltimore City area back in 2011, and while conducting work, I was driving a vehicle and was hit in the vehicle by a pickup truck that had been stolen. It was being chased by law enforcement. The truck hit my passenger side of the vehicle. It totaled both vehicles. Both of our cars went skidding in opposite directions. There was a foot chase. The cops chased down the people who had hit me, wound up arresting them. I had a lot of injuries from the accident, hearing loss, a really bad concussion, injuries to my rotator cuffs in both shoulders, injuries to my knees. Some of it did fade after a while, but I went through a lot. Medications, physical rehabilitation, and yeah, so it was quite a bit to go through and to experience. It was a very traumatic experience. So after the accident, I started doing internet searches, trying to figure out what I was going to do from there. I knew that there was going to be a great deal of medical bills to go through and other things, so I knew it would be in my best interest to seek an attorney. I did an internet search, looked at various firms in the Baltimore and DC area, and after searching for a while, I came upon Ashcraft Gerel. I'd never heard of them, but I sent in an online request to be contacted by an attorney, and that's when Mike Lind contacted me. He was very well spoken, informed me of what would happen, the process of how this probably would go. He also informed me of the complexities of the case, and I knew that it could take a long time, but I also had a great amount of faith and trust in Mike that he would be able to handle it professionally and to the best of his abilities. I actually did meet with one or two other firms. I wanted to get an idea of what I thought I was up against. Before I talked with Ashcraft and Gerel, there was another firm in the Baltimore area that had said that they didn't think that it was worth it, taking my case because of the nature of it and the complexities. It didn't seem like it was something that they wanted to do. My case was resolved. It was settled out of court during a pretrial conference. I was very happy with the outcome and with the way that Mike dealt with it during the conference. It was incredibly professional, and we were able to get the settlement that he felt that I deserved and that we knew that I deserved. I would absolutely recommend both Mike Lind and the firm Ashcraft and Gerel to my family, friends, loved ones. They took great care of me, and they went far above and beyond my expectations when I first contacted the firm. Mike was confident that he would be able to successfully navigate it, and he did. He was he approached the case better than I believe any attorney could have. Again, this was a very complex case, and Mike was definitely more than just a lawyer. I became, I feel, a personal friend of his. He treated me with a great deal of respect, and I have a lot of trust in Mike.